So about 10 days ago, we had a husband and wife come in through the emergency room. The husband was extremely sick and had to be intubated and put on a vent, and he was sent to the medical ICU. The wife ended up also getting sick, and she was put on the step-down unit, and they were apart for 10 days. They weren't allowed to see each other, and the husband was in critical condition. As of today, both the husband and wife are recovering, and they're in the same room and hopefully going home soon. Emergency room doctors and nurses have been seeing extremely sick patients come through their ER department in these last couple of weeks, and they intubate them and send them off upstairs in the hospital, and they have no idea how they are doing. And they know that I am a float nurse, so I work up on the floors, so I see those patients, and they're constantly asking me how their patients are doing. You know, they remember every single one of their patients that they have intubated. So I came about with the idea for a Hope Huddle so that we could share the good news of these patients who are able to get extubated and off the ventilator.
To hear from her late last night with this amazing idea just, once again makes me think so much of her and the way she thinks about her coworkers and her patients.
Spreading a little hope is everything to the doctors and nurses right now. We're really desperately trying to see the light at the end of this tunnel.
In the last couple of days, we had, 5 patients that came off of respirators. The staff was cheering. And so it was actually like a celebration.
And it's just a time of camaraderie, and we're all kind of rallying together and just checking in on one another and making sure that we're taking care of ourselves as well as taking care of everybody else.
These are really scary times. It's scary to see the patients come in so sick. So I think if we start to hear the positive outcomes that we are achieving here at Lenox Hill, and if we hear that the patients are getting better, they're coming off the ventilators, and they are getting sent home, that will give all of us a little hope and a little light that we need right now.
We'll get through this, and we're going to get through it together.